The PD Series grader from Level Best, the industry standard precision grading box. This video will demonstrate the correct procedure to start up your Kubota CTL or skid steer loader and how to engage continuous flow to the grader's hydraulic valve. Continuous flow is necessary for proper operation of the grading box and to avoid damaging the hydraulic valve. We will also explain the joystick functions that operate the Level Best precision grading box using a TopCon or Trimble Earthworks Go control system. After you enter the Kubota's cab, pull the safety bars down across your lap. The loader will not turn on until you do this. There are 4 steps to start the Kubota loader and engage continuous flow. 1. Turn on the ignition key to start the engine. 2. Release the parking brake by pressing the green hydraulic unlock switch located by the ignition key. 3. Turn on the auxiliary port switch, which is the bottom button on the loader display cluster. A green AUX logo will light on the display screen. 4. On the right joystick, press the right round AUX HOLD button. Now you have continuous flow. Anytime the cab door is opened, you must pull down the safety bar again and repeat steps 2, 3, and 4 to re-engage continuous flow. These are the joystick functions that operate the Level Best grader in manual mode using a TopCon or Trimble Earthworks Go control system. On the right joystick, the bottom button switches between auto and manual operation. Pushing either side of the button changes the mode. Also on the right joystick is the combo key. This key acts like a caps lock on a keyboard and changes the functions of the joystick buttons. When the combo button is pressed, the right joystick's bottom button now controls increment and decrement. Press the left side of the button to increase the on-grade reference. Press the right side of the button to decrease the on-grade reference. On the left joystick, the rocker switch controls elevation. Push the left side of the switch to raise the box. Push the right side of the switch to lower the box. When the control button is engaged, the rocker switch controls the tilt function. Push the left side of the switch to tilt the box left. Push the right side of the switch to tilt the box right. While in auto mode, you can still use the manual mode joystick functions to temporarily override auto. Releasing the control immediately returns the system to auto. For more information on connecting hydraulics, click on the hydraulic connection link below. PD grading boxes can grade level, single slope, and dual slope 2D applications, as well as GPS, robotic total station, and Sonic 3D jobs. ATI Corporation has kits that will interface with all those systems. So no matter what combination of systems you use, Level Best has you covered. To benchmark your grader relative to your laser, click on the benchmarking video link below. For more information on setting up a dual slope job, click on the dual slope link below. For more specific product information, visit our website or call 1-800-342-0905.